Right, this is Northern Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Modipe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns, North Stellenbosch 1, MTN 8 first leg. My brother, how do you feel about the game today? Tonight?
It's very amazing. So when I see the game,
Yeah.
it was for first half, so for 50-50.
Yeah.
But when we come for second half, hey, it was tough.
It's tough, man.
But when we get for penalty,
Yeah.
yeah, for Kaizer Chiefs fan, we were so happy.
Yeah.
Because for members then Sundowns, they still owe us for MTN 8. You still remember?
Oh, last season, yeah.
Yeah, they still owe us.
Too late.
So now it's a payback. It's a payback.
Yeah.
But you know what? Final,
Yeah.
they're gonna be Stellenbosch
Yeah.
visit Orlando Pirates. Finish and clap.
Do you think Orlando Pirates will come back on
Yes,
Saturday?
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes. When they come back in the Orlando Pirates, Orlando Stadium,
Yeah.
they're gonna be so tough. They're gonna
Yeah,
be so
yeah,
tough.
yeah. So how do, as a Kaizer Chiefs fan, how do you feel that your team is not in the top 8?
So we can understand, but now Nabi still cooking,
Yeah.
still cooking. The we understand that we're on for top 8,
Yeah.
for top 10. We understand, but now Nabi's cooking.
It's cooking.
It's cooking.
Yeah, yeah.
But when the cooking, it's cooking, the food.
It's cooking what?
The food, it's cooking the food. When they come back, you know what? You understand. It's cooking. Yes.
So thank you very much, my brother. Let's
Yes.
hope that next season you'll come back and you'll
Yes.
be in the top 8 next season and compete.
Yes, obvious. You lose, my friend.
Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you very much.